Hey friends, hey, welcome to the channel. So today I will be doing my mini savings challenge, aka support others and save. That's what it is for today. So if you want to see me stuff some cash envelopes, then continue to watch. Alright guys, so I am super excited to be stuffing my mini savings challenge binder, and with this particular savings challenge series that I have going on, this is where I only do saving challenge that is from someone else's Etsy shop, where I'm just supporting a small business out there while helping myself to save some funds. Not sure what I'm going to do with this one, but throughout all my saving challenge, if it's not a long-term or short-term sinking funds binder, I'm pretty much going to be using the money to put towards debt or purchasing my first home, things of that nature. So yeah, let's get stuff in. You guys see the thing. Look at all these cute challenges. Tell me these challenges aren't the cutest. The girlies are just doing the do with these super cute and fun challenges. I have a few new ones that I've added to the roster. We'll get into it, but for now let's just start off and see. I'll show you guys what the new challenges are that I've added to the binder. Good. Ooh, we need to count some money. Forgot about that. Let's count some money. It's all fives because it's a mini saving challenge and I just want to keep everything nice and small, not too many big bills here. If we need to do some bill exchange, which I don't think we need to, let's count. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Okay, that's good. $80. The first challenge is my $1 challenge, and we'll link the Etsy shop that I purchased all the challenges from, or website, and then I'll link the YouTube channel if there's a YouTube channel associated, so you guys can also go and support. Support does not necessarily mean you have to make a purchase. You can watch their videos, give them a like, share their contents, things of that nature. All right, so today I'm going to be putting $5 in this one. Ooh, I forgot to show you guys. Check out these cute markers. I got these from IKEA. Whoa. We're already messing things up here, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I got these cuties from IKEA. Wait, one is missing. I'm creating chaos over here. So I got these cuties from IKEA. Look at the color range. It's like gray and nude and all these bright, beautiful colors. And it is the Mal collection. They have like so many cute crayons and things of that nature, but I thought this was super cute and they're so smooth to work with. So that's what we're gonna use today. And I think I'm gonna go with blue because it kind of matches the border of the challenge. We're gonna color in 5 today. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll go down here, 5. So this one now has $10. Okay, next up I have my Tweet Tweet, and that one also gets $5. Not too much counting today. We'll just put $5 in there. And then I am going to color off, let's keep it real fun and colorful. I'm going to do number 2 and number 3. And I love that these challenges are super small. It's just like, I find it motivating because they're small challenge and you kind of get to tackle them real quick. Next I have my roll the dice. All right, I'm gonna do it a little different because there are 6 boxes. What I'm going to do is roll 5 dice, and then hopefully it'll let me just kind of get through the process a lot quicker. Okay, let's see what we got. So 6 is out of there, 4 is out, 3 is out, and 1 is out. Perfect. Oh no, it's between 2 and 5 now. All right, so that will, now I could roll 1 die. Look at that, 5. Which it doesn't even matter because really I'm just going to put 5 in there. So that's what that is. Because we're rounding up. I wish we had dollar bills. We used to have dollar bills and it was super cute, but we don't have her anymore. Okay, 2023 savings challenge, and this one is by Budget Save Share. Okay, I'm gonna put 5 in for today, and we're gonna go with a nice army green, and then we're gonna find the 4 and the 1. Okay. Next up, I have Believe in Yourself. Let me just get that one from over here. Okay, and this is another $1 challenge, and as soon as I'm finished completing this one, I will save a total of $30. So this one is getting 5. And I get to color in 5 of these little hexagon. Okay, so let's get to it. All right, there we go. And I don't put this one inside because it doesn't fit. All right, so the bronze goddess, let me just grab that one. And this is her, Miss Bronze Goddess. All right, we're adding $5, and I'm trying to make it look like I'm doing a lot here by marking off a lot of the small ones. As I mark off all the small ones, then I will start going in for the big one. So that's 1, that's $3, $4, and $5. See, it's kind of motivating when you kind of scratch off the little ones. It just makes it look like you're doing a lot without doing a lot. Okay, that is done. Now I have my puzzle. I think this one is, oh, my baby's up. You guys, he's so crazy. All right, this one's cute. It's kind of like a $1, $3, $5 situation. It is getting $5. My baby is up from his nap, so you guys are gonna be hearing him. So it's just what it is. Mommy life. I'm going to go in and do a whole bunch of 1s so it looks like I'm doing a lot. So that is 5. I colored in 5, and you're gonna hear my baby. He just got up from his nap, so I'm gonna pause and go get him. Alrighty, so I'm back. So new challenge to the roster is my $5 challenge from Baddies and Bag. So this one is getting 5 as well. Whew, I'm a little winded. I had to run down the stairs because my baby was sleeping in the living room. We were supposed to go for a little walkie walk, but he fell asleep while I was getting him dressed. All right, so let me use this blue one, and we'll just color off one of these. I'm not sure how much the total for this one is, but we'll count it all up after. All right, so I'm gonna put the book over here, and then we are going to continue. There's more, guys, there's more. I just didn't want to punch holes in these envelopes. I think they're just so cute, so I just wanted to keep them as they are. So we'll do this one first. Okay. And this is a $5 challenge as well. And we're just gonna put $5 in. There's already $5 there, so we have 10 going in our, I guess, Mickey or Disney challenge. Not that I'm saving to go to Disneyland, but I'm just calling it the Disney challenge. Let's get a color and color in one of these 5s. Okay. I just love how these challenges are just coming along slow and steady. Okay, so we're done with that. My dollar challenge, or this one is called 5 plus 33. So we're gonna add $5 to her. And then we're going to color off 5 icons. And then I have this one, which is the spin to win savings challenge. All right, so let's see how much we have left over. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Ooh, still got a good amount. Okay, let's do this. Okay, that's not really going anywhere. It's like in the middle between 3 and 5. Let's try again. All right, so 5. I'll spin again. And 8. All right, so we'll do 15 for this one. So spin to win now has 5, 10, 15, and 20. Okay, I'll put that to the side, and now I'm going to get the Tiki Bear. My last spot was right here, so I'm gonna put it right here. We're gonna use a green marker for today. Yep. Tiki only has 5, so what are we doing? Help meet my friend at the beach, roll the dice, and move. Okay, so let's roll. 2, 1, 2. So we have $3 so far. Try again. So we have $3. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 plus 3 is 6, right? No, 3 plus 2, that's 5. So that's $5. We still have $10 left. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll add $5 because I think the coconut means add whatever you want. All right, let's go again. And 2. 1, 2. Okay, another 5. So $15 going into Tiki Bear. And 1 second, baby. Okay, here, give it. Wait, mommy's gonna take it. Guys, I gotta finish this up. So Tiki Bear has 5, 10, 15, 20. We're gonna go for a little walk. Yeah, we're gonna go for a walk. So Tiki Bear has 20, and that kind of wraps things up. Okay, let me just color this in so I remember where I left off. Yeah, we're gonna go outside. You wanna go for a walk? Okay. All right, that's it for today's mini savings challenge, aka support others and save. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, gotta go take baby for a walk. So bye guys.